Here are general instructions for using a single-dose dry powder inhaler. To begin, remove the inhaler cover, then hold the base of the inhaler firmly and twist the mouthpiece to open. Push the buttons on each side of the base to test the small spikes within the capsule chamber. These spikes puncture the capsule of medication. Remove the capsule from its foil container and place it in the capsule chamber at the base of the inhaler. Do not put the capsule in the mouthpiece. Twist the mouthpiece back to a closed position. With the inhaler upright and vertical, press the spike buttons once. You should hear a click. That's the capsule being pierced. Release the buttons and prepare to inhale. Do not shake the inhaler. Bring the inhaler to your lips in a horizontal position. The blue spike buttons should be on the left and right of the inhaler, not top and bottom. Put your lips over the mouthpiece and breathe in deeply and quickly. As you inhale, you will experience a sweet taste and hear the capsule spinning in the chamber. After inhaling, hold your breath for up to 10 seconds. Open the inhaler to check for leftover powder. If some remains, close the chamber and inhale again. After use, remove the empty capsule and throw it away. Then close the inhaler and replace the mouthpiece cover. Your inhaler may come with slightly different instructions. Ask your doctor for a demonstration.